Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video we are going to submit our website to Bing Webmaster Tool. Okay, so let's go to Bing Webmaster Tool. And you have to, if you already have a Microsoft account, you can sign in, but in my case I don't have a Microsoft account, so I'm going to sign up. Okay, so this is the index page of Webmaster Tool, Bing Webmaster Tool. Now you need to do the same thing as we did in Google Webmaster Tool. You have to put your domain here. So copy your domain name and add. Now it's asking for a sitemap, so we have a sitemap located at after the backslash sitemap.xml. Okay, copy this string here and paste it here. About me, okay, so now we need to verify the ownership of this domain. So just copy this code here, the meta tag, go to your website in the SEO section and go to dashboard. And on the Bing Webmaster Tool, paste the code and click Save Changes. Okay, let's go here and click Verify. Okay, so we have added our website on Bing Webmaster Tool, and you can look, there is a thumbnail of our website here. So we can do the same thing as we did in the Google. The next thing is to check out the settings, like if you want to configure your site, like sitemap, submit URL. Like if you want to submit a URL manually, you can click this and submit a URL to Bing Webmaster. Like I want to submit the home page and then the About Us page, then the privacy policy, and then the Contact Us. Okay, click Submit. So Bing will automatically crawl and index all these pages in their database. Okay, and you can do other things, like if you want to ignore the URL parameter, or you can play with this Webmaster Tool. You can also check the SEO report, like what are the keywords that you are ranking in Bing Webmaster. Right now we have no post on our website, so we will check it later on when we will post content on our website. So for now, this is all for this video, and we have added our website to Bing Webmaster, so we can manage our website in Bing search engine. Okay, so this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.